How you doing, guys? Welcome back to my home, Mi Casa to Casa, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. Wow, it's been a week that I haven't been coming here and post the videos, so let me show you what I got. Okay, guys, so I was able to get my hands on some new items that my local Dollar Tree had, and before I show you those, I am going to show you the non-exciting ones. So the first thing I picked up, it was the Woman Superior Disposable Racers from the brand Assure, and this is the Sis Blaze. And then I picked up two of the Suave Power scent deodorants, and then I picked up a 20% more product value pack of AIM toothpaste, and this is the whitening fresh mint with baking soda. I picked up, it was the Coastal Bay Confections hard candy, and these are the chocolate filled mints. I love this. Oh my god, I love that. And then I picked up the Werther's Original Caramel Apple Fill. I love these. And of course I have to have my playtins, and I picked the Tropical Chip Plating Bag. That's good. And last but not least, for snack, I picked up, for snack, right? I already have 3 for snack. I picked up the Outdoors Total Pie. And that is non-exciting items for now, so let me tell you what I find. Then I picked up one of the So Natural Smart Snack. This one has no preservative and is gluten free. And this is the free dry mixed fruit, delicious and nutritious way to snack. Yeah. When it comes to washing clothes, I like my clothes to smell good. And one of the things that I found out was this long lasting freshness in wash stand booster reducer, however you say that. And this is in the lavender scent, so that was new in my Dollar Tree. And then I picked up the one that is citrus scent, and they smell all that, guys. And then this one, I always see it there, but I decided to pick it up. It's the same brand, and this is the fresh scent. So this one is kind of smell like linen being washed and stuff. It's really good. So I'm hoping, you know, these are as good as this one. But yeah, that's that. The one of the lavender oil and vanilla pure vegetable oil soap from below. I was excited because they had the whole collection. So except one particular item, but this is the facial scrub in the same scent. This is the body cream in the same scent. And then I picked up the wipes in the same scent. Also the body oil in the same scent. And then guess what, guys? The facial mask in the same scent. Now I was also happy because I found the same brand in another scent, which I'm about to show you right now. Bye Bomb. I also picked it up in the body oil. I also got, guys, the facial mask, the facial wipes, and last but not least, guys, I have the body cream. And I'm so excited to say that I was able to pick up the facial scrub. Now, they smell very, very nice. So I'm going to try these products, and then I will come and do a hit or miss product review on them and let you know if it's worth that $1. So being that said, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for the love and support. And like always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.